Good morning, Way Fam, from El Nido on Palawan in the Philippines.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit the little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the background behind us, but there is a tropical rain happening right now. Apparently there's a typhoon. Is a typhoon the same as a hurricane?
No, typhoon is like rainy season. Typhoon,
okay,
right?
Well anyways, it is currently typhooning out, and we're trying to find stuff to do in El Nido. So I think we're gonna head into town and just check it out. But first, we wanted to show you the very cool place that we're staying at.
We are staying at Summer Eco Cottages here in El Nido, and they are cute little bamboo cottages. They're so nice. We have a bed, a bathroom, and this nice hammock that I read my book on yesterday.
It's great for reading books on because there's no Wi-Fi here, and the power is a little scarce. So
it's a great place to come and unplug.
Yes.
Josh and I have played card games, we've read books, like the things that we haven't had time to do otherwise, or wouldn't have found the excuse to do them. So I'm actually really enjoying it.
Mm-hmm. And as rustic looking as it actually is, the amenities in the cabin are pretty nice.
So inside our cottage, you'll find our nice cozy bed, a mosquito net, and a nice fan that just shoots nice cold air, or circulates the air, I guess, on us all night long, which is perfect.
It's surprisingly cooler in here than it is outside, though.
Yeah, and the whole thing is made of bamboo. I'm super impressed with how they stitched everything together, with how much that it's been raining. Not one leak at all. Josh was teasing me the other day that they've had hundreds of years to figure out how to do this without leaks, but the bathroom is here. You have a shower and a roof and a sink and a toilet. That's all you need.
What more do you need? I know, a mirror.
Ding! But let's go to town and see what we can find.
So included with your stay at the Summer Eco Cottages here in El Nido is breakfast, a pool table, a ping pong table, just a lounge and bar area, and then free trips down to El Nido at 8:20 a.m. and then I think 2 other times throughout the day. So that's what we're taking now. So if you want to stay here, make sure to check the link in the description. It's awesome. But if you want to get yourself some coffee and maybe check on the socials, Art Cafe is the place to go. So we're going to do that now. Hello, ketchup on Worky Work, some Americano, and Ashley, what is that?
A pineapple shake that is full of flavor. I was really excited about it, and it met all my expectations.
Nice.
So good.
All right, we want to head out there and show you the town, but
it's wet, really wet.
It's very wet. If you can't actually see it, it is just coming down out there.
But it's so loud.
That's the rain you're hearing. It's typhoon.
God, we are stuck here in a typhoon. It is crazy. People are in the water swimming around in this craziness.
The locals.
Yeah, I can't believe it. I mean, I guess if you're wet, right?
Yeah. We were thinking it'd be fun to go out and just film, but we'd have to do it only on the GoPro. This camera would be ruined the first shot.
One of the biggest items here that they sell are the water bags where you can put all your items in them and keep them dry. Everybody's selling them, and now I know why.
Yeah, except it wouldn't do good for this camera because we wouldn't be able to use the camera.
Exactly. So. 2 girls from our hotel this morning, they went out on a tour of the islands, and I feel bad for them.
They're gonna be wet. The storm has almost died down, but we thought we'd grab a quick bite before we head out into town.
We got a tuna melt and some fries and now some ketchup. get money and then we'll come back. Okay. We're in El Nido and we need to get to Coron in 2 days, so that means taking a boat, a ferry. But with this weather, the ferries have been canceled every single day. So we're praying and hoping, because we've rented a place there, that we can get over there without getting too seasick. It's gonna take about 3 to 5 hours to get there on a boat, and you guys know I get seasick, so I am really nervous about it. She said that there's a boat running on that day, so fingers crossed it actually works, and we're gonna go find some cash so that we can pay her, because a lot of these places don't take card.
Walking down the streets of El Nido, you've got all kinds of little shops, a lot of them selling things that you'll probably need for your vacation. Ashley mentioned that there was like a waterproof bag that you can buy. They're everywhere. People stopping you on the streets. Want a waterproof bag? Want a waterproof bag? Tell you what, if you're actually going to be going on a tour, you probably do want that actually, because it's good to put your shoes in, maybe your phone if you happen to bring it, or a camera, because you're going to be around the water even if it's not rainy season. So it looks like they all have the same prices.
Yeah, it seems that that company is the one to go with. So now some cashola.
You can hear behind us the sounds of generators running. With the weather as crazy as it is, the power goes out every 10 minutes it seems. So everywhere has a generator running to power everything that they need to live, you know? So it's an island. You're on island time, you're on island life, you're on island weather. It's an island. Go with the flow, guys. And today the flow is no tour for us because it's way too windy to bring our camera gear, and we don't want to have fun without you.
Slow road work, that's all.
Also, it appears that pretty much everything is under construction here at the moment. I don't know if it's just the season or what, but there's stuff everywhere. And that kid wants to be on the vlog. Hi. Nice, good moves. Woo! Nice. That seems to be the town ATM. We've walked across the whole place to try and find it. That's where you get the monies. Thousands on my bed. Okay, so the Filipino peso is about 50 to $1 US. Got 10,000. That's, my mather's broken. One moment. I could figure this out, but it's so way faster, really much faster to calculate. That's only 200 USD on my phone. So we have $200 now. Woo, let's go buy tickets, and we also need cash to pay for our next place that we're staying 2 days from now.
Your full name, age, and nationality.
All right, tickets done and dusted. It's about $1,760 each, 1,760, which is approximately 35 USD.
Kind of expensive, but for a 3-hour boat ride, not too bad.
It's also basically the only option.
Yeah.
So we're doing that. Ashley was thinking about maybe calling this video, "Should you come to Palawan in the rainy season?"
It's really rainy, but it's beautiful, rain or shine, but I don't know if I'd suggest it.
Here's the thing. I think you just need to know what you're getting in for. Now, if you are thinking you're gonna come here and it's gonna be a tropical island paradise, you could be right, or you could be kind of like these people.
Cleared up a bit right now.
They're coming in like drowned rats off of a boat because it's pouring down rain. But if you leave your electronics at home or put them in the waterproof bags that are for sale everywhere here, you can have a great time.
And the rain doesn't seem to have stopped anyone from going out to the island.
No, not at all. And honestly, it is beautiful regardless. It's warm, it's not hot. I mean, it's like the perfect temperature, really. You're just gonna get wet. And then the wind comes again. Look both ways before you cross the street in the Philippines. Those little things are hilarious. They're like a trike that's makeshift. The thing is a lot of those guys are independent workers. They don't work for a taxi company or anything, but they kind of like rent to own those things. And after about 3 years, paying what do you say, like $3,000 a month, they own it and they can just drive it by themselves and make pure profit. So that's pretty cool. Helping out the local
driver last night.
According to the driver that we've spoken to previously, that's what he was saying.
Yeah, he wants
But
to own it.
pretty cool.
I like them.
Yeah.
I've never seen it, like, it reminds me kind of of India, the tuk-tuks, but it's not the same.
Yeah, it's definitely the Philippines' own
Very
thing.
unique.
They're all very proud of them too. On average, it costs us about 200 pesos, or about $4 to get back to summer eco cottages. But again, like if you want to get into town, they have some free ones. Oh, this place is beautiful. It's like lush, like a garden. And just above the summer eco cottages is this gorgeous view, where you can importantly get like 1 or 2 bars of signal. So that's really special. They even have Wi-Fi up here.
And you can see all the islands out there.
And that's the most important part, is what I meant.
Yeah.
It is super gorgeous here, and it's a bit unfortunate that we haven't done like the thing you're supposed to do in El Nido, which is island hopping.
Yeah.
Sadly, the weather has been crazy and we don't have enough time. But man, it is gorgeous looking out there. Lucky us, they have a pool table here and a ping pong table there, so even on a rainy day or perhaps after your day's activities, you can come enjoy yourself. Wow. Did you guys know that billiards was one of our very first dates?
It was, I think, our first date.
Did I beat you or did you beat me?
You beat me. You know you wanted me to say that. You beat me, but I was close.
Here's the thing. That's actually one of the reasons I actually fell in love with me, because I didn't play nice. I said, hey man, we're equal.
First
You,
date,
if
you're
you
supposed
can't
to let
beat
the girl
me,
win.
if you can't beat me, and I can't, you know, I'm just saying, like, I can't be given in. What I'm trying to say is,
He beat me and he rubbed it in.
10 years later. Ooh.
Hold it.
Ashley got the first shot and she called it. Just to clarify, neither of us are actually good at billiards. It was luck that I
So
won.
this is the first ball we've gotten, and it's like the 4th round. I'll try.
Ash has been cleaning the floor. I think she's been sharking me all this time.
I've learned a few things or two, you know, the late night bars that Josh doesn't know about.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Okay.
That's not a thing. 10 ball, left hand pocket.
You got one of them in there.
That's the one I wanted.
That's the one?
Yeah, the 10.
Oh, man, I am underestimating you so hard right now.
You haven't gotten anything in it. And
I've
I think
gotten
I'm
nothing in. You've gotten like 3 or
4.
4.
Yeah. No! An unfortunate turn of events. Josh has sunk all his balls and only has one left, as do I.
So close. Scratch.
I can't believe that.
That was slop. That was slop, Ashley.
But I win!
You didn't call it.
I was not planning on that going in. I win.
She's a lot better than me. What can I say? Alright, that is it for our day from El Nido. Sadly, we didn't get to go on the tour. Although we talked to some people who didn't bring giant cameras and who weren't filming it, and they said it was fun. They got wet, and they were wet the whole time, but it wasn't
Yeah.
cold, and they had a great time.
So if you do come here, don't let the rain scare you away from doing the island tours unless they cancel them, which is possible. So maybe don't come in the monsoon season.
Or just schedule several days here so that you're flexible with your timing.
Also, that's true.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed just a regular day of a rainy day in El Nido, how to spend it the best way possible, I guess.
If you're interested in the eco cottages, make sure to check the link in the description down below. And we'll see you. Goodbye from El Nido. See you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.